Concussions. Introduction. Are concussions serious brain injuries that often have serious complications, such as bleeding and swelling inside the brain? Select yes or no. Correct. Most people recover from concussions, but complications are possible. Does a concussion only happen if a hard object hits the skull? Select yes or no. Correct. A concussion may happen even if nothing hits the head. The acceleration and deceleration alone can cause tearing of the axons in brain tissue and lead to brain injury. People who have had a mild concussion will develop cognitive disabilities, personality changes, and sensory problems. Select true or false. Correct. The serious complications usually happen to people who have had moderate to severe brain injuries. People with concussions usually recover. People who get a head injury may suffer from post-concussive syndrome that continues for weeks or months. Select true or false. Correct. These side effects include memory and concentration problems, mood swings, and personality changes. Thank you for using Explain.